How do you lower your interest rates? Securing a favorable interest rate is crucial for saving money over the life of your loan. Here are 3 powerful methods to help you achieve just that. Boost your credit score. A higher credit score translates to a lower interest rate. To improve your credit worthiness, ensure you pay bills on time, manage your debt, scrutinize your credit report, and limit new credit applications. Compare lenders. Different lenders offer varying interest rates and quotes. Make sure to request quotes from multiple sources, understand your loan options, and don't shy away from negotiating for a better deal. Increase your down payment. A larger down payment reduces the lender's risk and can lead to a lower interest rate. Start saving aggressively, consider windfalls or gifts, and explore available down payment assistance programs to help you with your down payment.